Hello, this is Mr. Mobility. Have you ever thought of getting for yourself an automatic floor cleaner for the home? By that I mean one of those robotic things. Usually, most people think that what they need is a vacuum cleaner. But robot vacuum cleaners are not the only types of automatic cleaning machines for the home. Apart from robot vacuum cleaners, there are also robotic floor cleaners that have no vacuum capability. Somebody might ask me, why would I want to get a robotic cleaner with no vacuuming capabilities? Well, one reason is that not every type of floor needs to be vacuumed. For example, if you have a rug on your floor, you definitely need a vacuum cleaner. But if you do not, what exactly do you need a vacuum cleaner for? You necessarily do not. So in this video, I am doing a comparison of automatic vacuum cleaner robots and floor cleaning robots. The differences are not much, but they are significant enough to make you have a think about what exactly you need for your home. Let's look at some of the key features. A robot vacuum cleaner uses suction power, right? So there's a fan that's pulling in air and that uses that force to pull dirt and dust and other debris on the floor into a container in the vacuum cleaner. That's how vacuum cleaners work, right? It also has filters to trap different types of dirt into different compartments where necessary. Also, being a robot, it has sensors that allows it to navigate around your home. If it hits a wall, right, it moves in another direction. If it hits a piece of furniture, it moves in another direction. Lastly, a vacuum cleaner is excellent where you have a type of floor that traps dust especially, right? So if you use a rug, any type of rug, you definitely need a vacuum cleaner. You need a robotic vacuum cleaner because of that suction power to pull dust and dirt out of the floor. How about your floor cleaning robot? A floor cleaning robot uses wipes and scrubs. It's a material like your normal cleaning cloth, and it uses it to clean the floor. So it's cleaning dust off of your floor and can also mop that floor. Because of the mopping capabilities, a floor cleaning robot usually includes a water tank that you have to put water into for mopping your floor. Also, like a robotic vacuum cleaner, it has sensors for navigation so that while it's cleaning, it hits a piece of furniture, it turns around and goes in another direction. When it gets to a wall, it turns around and goes in another direction, etc., etc. Now, a floor cleaning robot is ideal for hard floors, tiles, hardwood, laminate, things like that. Why dust tends to settle on that, and all you need is to clean, to wipe, and to mop. It's different from a scenario with rugs where the cleaner actually needs to pull out dust and dirt from the rug. It has to extract dust and dirt from the rug. So these are the key differences between an automatic vacuum robot and a floor cleaning robot. The vacuum robot uses suction to pull out dust and dirt from rugs and carpets. A floor cleaning robot wipes, right, and scrubs and mops hard floors. The vacuum cleaner cannot do any mopping. So if you often need to do some mopping on your floor, especially, for example, if you use floor tiles, you definitely need to do some mopping on your floors because you'd have all manner of stains from water mixing with dirt and dust, liquids dropping on your floor and leaving a mark, you definitely need an automatic cleaning machine that can do some mopping. In which case, you're better off with a floor cleaning robot than with a robot vacuum cleaner. Do you get the distinction? The distinction, significant, not massive, not huge, but it's there. What do they cost? Actually, physically speaking, they can look alike. The most budget models are spherical, circular contraptions that just run along your floor. And both robotic vacuum cleaners and floor cleaning robots come in that shape. You will find plenty of them on Amazon. You will find on AliExpress. You know, your favorite tech shopping websites have both types. Also, lest I forget, there are hybrid models. Yes, a hybrid model is one that combines both vacuuming and cleaning and mopping capabilities. So a hybrid floor cleaning robot actually combines both vacuum, wiping, and mopping. Of course, it will tend to cost more than a standalone robotic vacuum cleaner and a standalone floor cleaning robot, because it combines both capabilities. And yes, if you have different types of floors in your apartment, in your house, in your building, then you should consider a hybrid model. A hybrid model will serve you much better, and you can switch between what you need to do depending on which room of the house you're cleaning. We have robotic vacuum cleaners. We have robotic floor cleaning machines. And then we have hybrid floor cleaning machines that combine the above two features together. You'll find all ranges of prices and models on your favorite tech store. Some of them starting from as little as $35 and some running into hundreds of dollars. It depends on what you need. It depends on how extensive your needs are. Every single one of them uses rechargeable batteries. So you plug them into your power socket, wall power socket, to charge. Usually you'd need to charge for an hour or more, and then you let them loose and let them do their job. What else do you need to know about them? I think that's pretty much, depending on what you get. There are more advanced features. Some may come with remote controllers, blah, 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 blah. But the most basic is just that circular, that circular gadget that you put on the floor and that runs around your floor, cleaning, vacuuming, mopping, and generally keeping things clean in your house, in your home. Whichever of these two types of floor cleaning machines you get for your home all depends on exactly the type of floors you have in that building. Don't forget about it. If you have rugs on your floors, you need a robotic vacuum cleaner. If you have tiles and hard floors, you need a floor cleaning robot. That's the one without vacuuming capabilities. If you get a vacuum cleaner, it doesn't have mopping capabilities, unless you get a hybrid model. That hybrid model means whatever you need, whatever type of cleaning you need to do is available in that model. And to be on the safe side, depending on your situation, that might be what you need to get. That's it. I hope I have been able to help you pinpoint the differences between a robotic vacuum cleaner and a floor cleaning robot, and that you are better informed for making a choice for your home. I'll see you in my next video.